Hey, what's up, trombone fans? It's Katie Pierce here, and today we're going to be talking about how to learn an etude. Now that we've learned slide positions, we know how to buzz, we know how to make notes, we know all about our lip slurs and our partials. Now we can apply everything to an etude. Etudes are great because they help us practice our long tones, especially when we have like half notes and whole notes. Also our articulation between notes, and it really puts all the slide positions that we've learned into context, into something that's a little bit more fun to play than a scale. So today we're going to look at 4-quarter march, number 14, and we're going to evaluate it in a few different ways. So first we're going to look at the key signature, and we see that there's a B flat and an E flat, but we also got to look at those accidentals in there. So we have an E natural that shows up multiple times, but also there's some E flats in there because they stay true to the key signature. The time signature is cut time, which is means the quarter note gets the beat. And we're going to try and sight read this. And with the breath marks, I'm going to try and make sure I can breathe there. But if I can't, we're going to evaluate that afterwards and see what can be done about that. Here is number 15, the 4-quarter march. So right off the bat, I noticed that I personally struggled with the lower register, especially at the end, getting down to that low B flat. So that may be something that you struggle with. It may not be. So do a little self-evaluation every time that you finish sight reading something and be like, what went right, what went wrong. I also did the wrong partial for F right in the middle. And so that was my mistake, and everyone makes mistakes, especially when sight reading. And then the breathing itself went really well. I was actually really surprised that I was able to make it through. So a little evaluation like this after you sight read something, anything, even an orchestra or band, or if you're just doing it by yourself, is always a really good idea. Besides just notes and rhythms and getting the notes out and everything, also make sure to evaluate intonation. How did everything sound? Do you need to get rid of some spit? Or do you need to tune something differently? Do a long tone first, maybe to warm up. And that is also part of the laundry list of things that you can use to improve and practice. And then that's the end of our video. So in conclusion, make sure to, when you're practicing your etudes, always be self-evaluating. Be a little hard on yourself, but not too hard, because every little thing that you can notice about yourself will help you become a better musician and improve, even though you're just playing a little 16-measure melody that may not seem like a lot. There's a lot to unpack. All right, see you next time.
All right, almost forgot. On the road to hell there was a railroad station, and a man with feathers on his feet, who could help you to your final destination, Mr.